Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the Happy Homeschool online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. I know you all must be missing school a lot. This is the reason why HHS is facilitating its students by conducting online classes. I know you all will love this new experience. I am going to teach you science today, and the topic that I am going to teach you today is pushes and pulls. I hope you all will enjoy this lesson. Before I proceed further, I would like to make it clear to you all that whenever you are asked a question, you need to pause the video and think what the answer could be. This will help you in understanding the topic. Alright, what do you think is happening in the pictures? Pause the video and think for a while. In the first picture, a man is pushing the swing. In the second picture, it shows that we push the buttons of a remote to play the game. In the third picture, a boy is pulling a cart. And in the fourth picture, the kids are pulling the rope. Okay, which game is this? Pause the video and think. It is tug of war. You must have played this game in school. I know that all of you love this game a lot. So basically, people are either pushing or pulling in the pictures. Okay, what is force? Again, pause the video and think. A force is a push or a pull. We cannot see forces, but they make things move. By pushing and pulling, we can move things. Like we push and pull a toy car. The pushing and pulling force helps the toy car in moving. Now pause the video and think about more examples of pushes and pulls. Force can stop things from moving. If an object is moving, we put our force on it to stop it from moving. For example, if a toy car is moving, we will put our force on it to stop it from moving. Or we can even put anything in its way to stop it from moving. Alright, now I have a question for all of you. How do we stop the real cars from moving? Pause the video and think for a while. We can stop the real cars from moving with a brake. Force can also change the speed and direction of a moving object. Now you must be thinking, what is an object? An object is a thing, like a bicycle or a car or a door. Now I want all of you to think, how can we change the speed of a moving object? Pause the video and think. We can speed up the bicycle by putting more force on it through our legs. Similarly, we can slow down our bicycle by putting less force on it. We can even change the direction of the bicycle. All of you must have experienced this before. Force can also change the shape and size of an object, as all of you can see in the pictures. We can squash the can to change its shape. Squash means to crush something. We can bend, twist, and squash the Play-Doh to change its shape. All of you must have experienced this before. Can you think of more examples of changing the shape and size of an object? Pause the video and think for a while. Okay, I will give you one more example. We can squeeze a lemon to change the shape and size of a lemon. Okay, how many different ways can you move your body? Pause the video and think. We can move our body in many different ways. We can walk, hop, and spin to move our body. We can even move our body fast and slowly. You can try it later on. What makes the windmill and the water wheel move? Pause the video and think about it. Windmill moves with wind and water wheel moves with water. So basically, water and wind are making these things move. Can all of you see a flag on the screen? What is making the flag move? Pause the video and think. Wind is making the flag move here. Let's do a review now. You need to identify whether it is a push force or a pull force. In the first picture, the boy is kicking a ball. So is it a push force or a pull force? Pause the video and think. It is a push force. Now in the second picture, the boy is dragging a dog. So is it a push force or a pull force? Pause the video and think for a while. It is a pull force. In the third picture, a boy is dragging a cart. So is it a pull force or a push force? Pause the video and think for a while. It is a pull force. All right is the girl pushing or pulling the swing in the picture. Pause the video and think. The girl is pushing the swing. So what did we learn today? We learned that force is a push or a pull, and that force makes things move. Force can even change the speed and direction of an object. It can even change the shape and size of an object, and it can even stop the objects from moving. I hope all of you are pretty much clear with this topic now. This is your homework. You have to make this craft work at home. At first, you have to paint a 250 milliliters juice or milk box, and the box should be empty. Then you have to make a hole on the top of the box, like you can see in the picture. Then you need to stick a triangular piece of paper on a toothpick or a stick and fix it inside the box. You can also stick caps on the box to make it look more beautiful. And your boat is ready. You can do a small activity with this craft work. You can push the boat in a small tub of water by blowing air from your mouth. You need to upload the picture of your craft work in the Google Classroom and click Turn In to earn marks. This was a revision of the chapter Pushes and Pulls. I hope all of you are more clear with this topic now. Goodbye.